This is like a daytime, talk show, like a morning talk show. She knows more than me.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Hi, my name is MetzWood. I'm the president of MetzWood Insurance, and I'm here today with Cami Mena, who's a senior account executive with MetzWood, and we're here to talk a little bit about the claims process. One of the things, the claims process is something most people haven't gone through before. They can be confused about what to do in the event of a claim. I thought to start, maybe we talk about what, with an auto insurance accident, what people should consider when they're going through that claims process.
So I would say the first thing is, if it's an auto-related accident, is they should contact the police. A police report is always important in the investigation process if a claim is filed. The second call should always be to your agent. Your agent's going to be the person to advise you what the next best steps are.
And that's us. So if you do have a claim, call your agent at MetzWood, and we'll be happy to help. From your experience, when people, once they've filed the police report and once they've kind of put in the call to the agent, are there any other mistakes or things that they should keep in mind that will help the claims process go smoother for them?
Well, I would say at the scene of the accident, you should certainly gather as much information as you can. That would be witnesses, documentation, take photos, gather information about the other person. Sometimes you have to wait for a police report, and that could delay the claim process. So as much information as you can gather yourself at the scene of the accident is going to certainly help you.
When someone has damage to their home, are there things that are different from the auto insurance process that they should keep in mind?
So in the event of a home claim, the first thing you want to do is prevent any further damage. So if you need to make temporary repairs, just make sure you document. You keep receipts, you take photos, but the insurance company is going to want to inspect anything. So don't throw out any old parts. You're going to want to keep those.
And that's one thing that people don't realize, is that the insurance company, based on the contract, they have the right to inspect the damage. So like Cami said, for any temporary repairs or things that are needed to prevent further loss, those are, go ahead and make those repairs. But again, the common thread with the auto and the home claims is that you really need an agent on your side to kind of help guide you through the process.
Couldn't agree more. And we have a 24-hour emergency line, so regardless of the time of day, you can always reach out to your agent.
Are there any situations where not making a claim is the right decision for a client?
Absolutely. If the damage is less than your deductible, we would not recommend filing a claim against your policy if it's not going to pay out. Secondly, if you're somebody who has frequent claims, it may not be in your best interest to file another claim against your policy. If you are canceled or non-renewed by your carrier, you may be limited to the options that we have for coverage, and they could be more costly. Additionally, if you're not injured, your vehicle's drivable, and it's clearly the other person's fault, it may be best to go through the other party's insurance to prevent a claim from being on your record.
That's great.
We can help you set that up.
And you had talked about a deductible. For a lot of customers, they might be confused as to what a deductible is. Can you talk about what a deductible is in an insurance policy and where it might come into play in a claim situation?
Sure. So a deductible is the amount that you're responsible for before the insurance policy will pay for any damage. And it is per incident. So it's a little bit different than like a health insurance deductible where it's for the whole year. This deductible is per incident.
Thanks for sharing your expertise with us, Cami. The claims process really is the most important time for us to be there for our clients.
You're welcome, Matt. Oh, we're always here to help.